Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Marco Bonilla for another video for my private students. First of all, I just want to thank you guys, for putting your trust in me and your money in me. And I really do appreciate the fact that you guys trust me, to go over this training, which I believe this is going to be the best training that I made so far. Not going to lie. I think this is going to be the best training because I'm going to teach you guys step by step what do I do when I come in, and I can analyze the market in 5 minutes. Well, actually less. Less than 5 minutes. I'm going to teach you guys how to find the trend, how to find the beginning of the trend, levels, cycle, and the Fibonacci, and the stochastic. So all in one, I'm going to make different videos so it's not long. But first of all, I want to show you guys something. Not to brag of anything, but I don't know who saw this, but look at this. I believe this is the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart. This is not to brag, but this is just to show you, that I know what the hell I'm talking about. This is the 1 hour chart. Look, just know this pattern. I made this on the 8th of January, so that was last Friday, way before the whole move for this week happened. And I'm going to teach you guys how I found out. Check this out. We were right here, right before NFP. And then I predicted that it was going to go up. And from here, it was going to drop 3 levels of the cycle, and then it was going to bounce off the 61.8 Fibonacci level. But let me show you guys how I found it. And the way that I found it, it was actually I drew Fibonacci on the 4 hour chart. And how did I know? Whenever it's an uptrend, I'm just going really quick through Fibonacci. Whenever it's an uptrend, you're going to draw Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. At the time, the highest point, I'm gonna go over Fibonacci like really good on the next Fibonacci video. We were right here, and I predicted this was gonna come here, and it was gonna bounce up to 61.8, which is this one right here. Look at exactly what it did. Look, went up, 1, 2, 3, reverse. I'm going to show you guys the cycle. I'm going to show you guys everything. Look at what I predicted. 1, 2, 3, reverse. This was a week before it happened. So I predicted the whole move for the week. And then it went up. That's exactly what it did. From here, it went up. And it actually reversed from here. You know how funny it is. It reversed from here. But that was the move. I have a, how to say, I predicted the move based on the 4 hour Fibonacci line, which is from the bottom to the top. This is the highest point, and then this is the lowest point it hit, and from here it went up. So now what's going to happen is it's going to come down. It's going to do 3 levels. So I'm going to explain to you guys the levels. Don't even worry about it. I'm going to go really deep into it. But I just want to show you guys. I don't know who's been following me on my live page, but this is what I predicted for the week. Another thing that I predicted before that, it was this. I explained what it happened, and I explained that it was going to go up and it was going to bounce off the 50 Fibonacci level. This is the move after. Look. It actually made a lower. It made a lower low. That's why I had to, I had to draw the Fibonacci again. So it actually bounced out to 38, which is at the time like 50 was like somewhere right here. But I mean, how how accurate can you get? How do I know these things? Because I know what I'm doing. And this is exactly how you guys are gonna be after you guys watch everything. So this is just the intro. This is, this is not to brag or anything, but I've been getting way better entries. I've been getting swing trading. I mean, you guys are gonna be like, you guys are gonna make money. You're gonna make hella money. So that was the introduction. And then I just want to thank you guys for that. Now, template. This template, I'm actually going to give it to you guys, so you guys don't have to do anything to it. The only thing that you guys are going to learn is how to draw the Fibonacci level, how to draw support and resistance, which is all you're going to use. We're not going to use any trend line, no price action, nothing like that. Naked trading, market levels, Fibonacci, and stochastic. That's how you're going to make a lot of money. And I'm going to explain to you how the levels play, and we actually predicted this as well. This was going to be the M. How do we know this? It was the last level of the cycle, and that's what I'm going to show you guys of the market cycle. So I want to give you guys a heads up what are you going to be learning. So I'm going to jump into the next video, which we're going to go over. I'm going to go over, first I'm going to go over levels, and I'm going to go over Fibonacci later on. Then I'm going to do a video on risk management, and also take profit and stuff like that. So that was just the introduction, guys. Just wanted to let you know what you're going to jump yourself into. And trust me, you guys are going to be market makers as well. And you guys are going to represent with the hashtag that we made, the new hashtag, which is Market Maker Club. Be able to predict and know exactly what the market maker is doing before he knows it, because now you are a market maker. So let's jump into the next video, guys.